constant and ceaseless passion of the Changsung R&D Center is the icon of technology and innovation. Changsung's drive to innovate ways to improve mankind's health by developing the world's highest quality softgel manufacturing system continues at this very moment. Committed to developing softgel manufacturing equipment that ensures the highest level of productivity and user convenience. Through constant and ceaseless passion of R&D, will become a responsible company that will bring about a new era for mankind's health and welfare. From pharmaceuticals to dietary supplements, the softgel capsules make it easy and convenient to consume a variety of medications. As we have the longest history of developing and supplying softgel encapsulation equipment for the first time in Korea, we have many patented technologies. Especially, the recently developed softgel encapsulation machine is equipped with AGT and EFA systems that automatically adjust the thickness of the gelatin ribbon and the volume of the medicine to be filled with a single operation on the touch screen. These innovative features are receiving good response from domestic and overseas customers. Due to having such outstanding technologies, Changsung is capable of building and delivering various softgel encapsulation equipment that meet a wide range of customers' needs. The world's first AGT technology, an innovation developed by Changsung, uses contact-free laser sensors and auto-stepping motor mechanisms to control the thickness of gelatin ribbon to within a 0.02 millimeter tolerance. It is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment that makes a significant contribution to user convenience and to improving the quality of the produced capsules. And the fully servo motor-driven softgel encapsulation machine, the 880SR, is a flagship model that utilizes all of Changsung's innovative technologies, including oilless gearbox, AGT, EFA, and wide wedges. And by developing the 780SR, which uses a variable die roll that can switch between 250mm and 290mm die rolls, Changsung has improved economic efficiency and convenience for its existing customers by making it possible to use the 250mm die roll from the previous 500R model. The 780SR OLIS is a premium vegetable softgel encapsulation machine that offers a stable speed of over 3 RPMs, even at the vegetable softgel capsule production. Currently, Changsung possesses patents for vegetable capsule production process in the United States, New Zealand, South Africa, and Europe, and also holds patents for raw materials in Korea and the United States. The softgel encapsulation machine 770SR is equipped with one-touch connection between the medicine hopper and filling pump, and an oil lubrication system that uses metering pumps for accurately controlling the volume of lubrication oil, minimizing lubricating oil consumption and the overall operating costs. Furthermore, it is equipped with a special medicine filling pump for filling capsules with high-viscosity paste medicine, making it possible to mold various types of drug formulations. It also provides improved convenience with a low-noise, low-vibration design, intuitive touchscreen menu, and the die roll release device that stops and releases a die roll when a person approaches it during regular speed operation mode. The SRD softgel encapsulation machine is developed for research and development purposes. And it is a fully automatic R&D scale machine driven by a servo motor, capable of using both animal and vegetable capsules with minimal consumption of raw materials. It is equipped with EFA, which provides one-touch filling volume controls, and a device that automatically aligns die roll and sets injection timing for maximum user convenience. The fully automatic gelatin cooking system, developed with Changsung's exclusive technologies, provides a simple operation for inputting the raw materials and sets up the temperature and time for the melting system on the HMI controller. Then, the gelatin is cooked automatically, and the machine notifies the user when the gelatin cooking is done. The viscosity of the gelatin cooked with the fully automatic gelatin cooking system is extremely consistent, dramatically reducing the defect rate when capsules are being manufactured. Also, the UV printer, UVP120, capable of printing letters and logos on any capsule, regardless of capsule's shape, size, or dryness, using UV printing, which doesn't require changing tools or jigs, even when capsule size or shape changes. Visual inspection machine, the VIM100, scans every side of the capsule 6 times while it rotates 360 degrees on a conveyor to detect defects. It is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment and the pride of Changsung, capable of inspecting 100,000 capsules regardless of their size, without needing any other tools or changing jigs. Not only provides soft gel encapsulation equipment, but also provides a total solution package that includes product manufacturing and quality control technologies. Committed to R&D as always, Changsung will continue to put customer satisfaction first and devote ourselves to developing technologies that meet our customers' needs. Leading the industry as an innovator of soft gel encapsulation systems, Changsung Softgel. In the field of soft gel encapsulation equipment manufacturing, Changsung maintains the position of over 60% of the domestic market and the world's highest sales volume, and growing as a global standard company that provides innovative solutions to the soft gel encapsulation equipment industry. In addition, with green management, focusing on the environment with the motto of customer satisfaction, Changsung is reborn as a role model company in the field of soft gel encapsulation systems as an innovative business partner of customers. The company leading the world soft gel market along with cutting-edge technology and quality-oriented. Changsung Softgel.